If your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus is not turning on, so in this video I will give you a solution for this problem. Now the first thing you should do is just do a force restart on your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button on your iPhone until you see the Apple logo on the screen. After you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. Now, if this did not fix your issue, then for the second method, just plug in your iPhone into charge. But before you charge your iPhone, just make sure that the charger is working. So for that, just use your charger to charge another device and check if it is working or not. And after that, just plug in your iPhone into charge and leave it for 30 minutes to an hour. After that, just do a force restart and check if this fixes your issue or not. Now, if your iPhone is not charging with the charger, then try using a wireless charger or a MagSafe charger. But if this also did not work, then you might have a hardware problem with your iPhone. Just take your iPhone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.